nonton Siksa Kubur. Gimana?
Harus besok pergi ke masjid, harus berdoa.
Tidak ada yang menyangka, sebuah kunjungan sederhana ke bioskop bisa membuat para bule tercengang, bahkan mempertanyakan standar hiburan di negara mereka sendiri. Banyak dari mereka datang ke Indonesia dengan ekspektasi biasa saja. Menonton film? Ya, sekadar hiburan ringan. Di negara mereka, bioskop hanyalah tempat gelap, dengan kursi berjejer, layar besar, dan suara standar. Tidak ada yang istimewa. Tapi semua berubah ketika mereka mencoba menonton di bioskop Indonesia untuk pertama kalinya. Di negara mereka, kursi bioskop sering sempit, keras dan tidak bisa diatur. Sementara di Indonesia, ruang kaki luas, kursi recliner, dan kenyamanan seperti duduk di rumah sendiri. Belum lagi kualitas layar dan sound system. Bule-bule ini terkejut karena teknologi yang digunakan justru lebih canggih daripada yang mereka gunakan di Eropa atau Amerika. Dolby Atmos, proyektor ultra bright, hingga ruangan yang wangi dan bersih. Yang membuat mereka tambah heran adalah harganya. Di negara mereka, kursi biasa saja bisa sangat mahal. Sementara di Indonesia, dengan harga yang jauh lebih terjangkau, mereka bisa menikmati fasilitas premium yang di luar negeri dianggap kelas elit. Ada juga yang tertawa dan berkata, kalau bioskop di negara saya seperti ini, saya akan nonton film setiap hari.
Oh my god, this is what Indonesia does better than the UK. Or any other country, really. Yup, the cinema. Okay, let's start off by rating the seats. This is the UK's, I give it a 5 out of 10. It's leather. It's okay, pretty comfortable. Sometimes really dirty. And for some reason, my view is always blocked by a head. This is Indonesia's velvet, soft. I could always see properly. Clean most of the time. 8 out of 10. Okay, now we're rating snacks. I'm sorry, but honestly, I'd give the UK a 4 out of 10. You have the basic popcorn, snacks that you could buy in the supermarket, minion tumblers. Okay, this one's special, Ben & Jerry's ice cream, love it. This is Indonesia's. Look at the variety. You can even have mac and cheese bites with french fries. Honestly, already a 9 out of 10. A whole ass meal. Traditional tahu isi. Sis tagor. Look at our minion tumblers. And the best drink ever, Java Tea Special. Next, overall experience. I'd give the UK a 7 out of 10. It lacked the all-around you effect, and they didn't dim all the lights. They kept 2 lights on for some reason. As for Indonesia, I'd give the whole experience a 9 out of 10. Got the all-around you effect. They dimmed all the lights, which I love. And last, the price. In London, £9.99 to £11.49. 100 sampai 200 ribu for normal seats. And Indonesia, 35,000 to 40,000 on the weekday and 50,000-ish in the weekends. Guys, that is around £2 on the weekday and £3 on the weekend. So yeah, that is it. What do you guys think?
I want to congratulate all Indonesians for being able to have this and use it correctly. As you can see, we're back at the movie theaters that has beds. Suamiku rented the whole studio for us. Just kidding, but we were the first arriving, and besides us, there was only one couple. It's not my first time, but I'm still shocked. Because in Mexico, there's no way you can have a movie theater with beds, and people behave nicely, correctly, civilized. And this is not to talk bad about Mexicans, but in my country, most of the people having a bed, the partner, the blanket, and a little bit of darkness, anything could happen. Except watching a movie, of course. We can say Mexicans are like a telenovela, very passionate. So as far as I know, this doesn't exist in Mexico. And as far as I think, it wouldn't be a good idea to implement it because it will become a love nest, not a movie theater with beds. So once again, congratulations Indonesian, you really know how to do things right. Thanks to you, I can have this experience now, and it's great. Anyway, thanks for watching, bye!
Shock berat setelah nonton bioskop di Zurich. Jadi ini pertama kalinya aku sama Stefan nonton bioskop di Zurich karena malam mingguan bingung mau kemana dan di luar udah dingin banget. Ternyata keadaan bioskopnya bikin tercengang. Pertama, harganya mahal banget, buat berdua kita bayar 36 franc alias 590.000. Kedua, pas masuk ke dalam teaternya kecil banget, literally sekecil itu sampai harus berdiri kalau mau ada yang lewat. At some point aku ngerasa klaustro banget sampai gak kuat dan pengen keluar karena nyelonjorin kaki aja bener-bener gak bisa. Terus di tengah-tengah film ada jam istirahatnya 10 menit, jadi orang-orang pada keluar beli makan dan ke toilet. Setelah filmnya selesai, di badan pegel-pegel karena berjam-jam gak bisa gerak. Menurut kalian worth it gak?
Pengalaman sederhana ini membuka mata mereka bahwa Indonesia tidak hanya kuat di sektor pariwisata atau kuliner, tapi juga dalam kualitas hiburan modern. Negeri ini tidak sekadar mengikuti perkembangan dunia. Indonesia melampauinya dalam cara yang tidak banyak orang sadari. Pada akhirnya mereka pulang dengan satu kalimat yang sama. Bioskop di Indonesia jauh lebih bagus daripada di negara kami. Dan di momen itu mereka sadar, Indonesia bukan hanya tempat untuk dikunjungi, tapi tempat yang memberikan kejutan-kejutan kecil yang membuat siapapun jatuh cinta.
Wah guys, kenapa di bioskop di Indonesia dingin banget? Untung di sini ada selimut. Langsung ambil dari orang lain juga tahu guys, dingin banget ini. Bye guys. Langsung bobo gue.
Hari ini kita mau nonton film yang Mas boleh mainin di bioskop.
Excited banget sih.
Ini filmnya apa?
Sayang, kalau kamu mau ngomong sama aku, harus ngomong sama manajer aku ya.
Nicholas Saputra.
Sayang, ini. Yang ini.
Oh, ini. Yang main Possession.
Iya, tapi sayang peran aku kecil banget.
Gak apa-apa, kecil nanti jadi gede. Aduh, Nicholas Saputra. Kamu yang main film Possession ya?
Oh, goodness.
No, I don't think so.
I love someone there.
Gimana aku?
Gila, bagus banget sayang. Aku bangga banget sama kamu.
Mau tanda tangan aku nggak?
Bun.
Halo.
Kamu tinggal rasa sama karakternya?
Tiga tickets.
Tiga.
For Moana 2?
For Moana too?
Yes.
It's for 6:35, yeah?
Yes.
The screen is down here. The screen is available.
So we can choose here.
No, the screen is here. How big is the screen?
The screen it's about here from here.
Okay, so we do this one. 4, 5.
so far.
Nola.
My eyes is blurred. Trust me, you feel comfortable here.
No, I don't trust you. No.
Okay.
1, 2, 3 left.
Like this?
Or do you want 1, 2, 3? No, the side. This one is better.
If you want this one, let me choose here. Can
It's
I?
my first experience. Yes.
Okay.
This is my first time watching a movie in Bali. I'm so excited.
Really?
Yeah.
So 3 ticket Moana at 6:35, yeah?
Yes.
125,000, please.
Holy cow! There's so many drinks here. Oh my god! What am I gonna do?
In
They have-
Toronto, they don't have drink.
They have Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Diet Coke, ginger ale. Yeah. But not like this. Look, there's like salt, sweet glaze, mixed salt and sweet, and then Cornell. Salt, sweet glaze caramel. Holy cow. 135. And then if you can add flavors. You can do upgrades, soft drinks. Wow.
And popcorn is very good for your health, right?
No,
Seriously?
popcorn is so bad for you. It's so bad for you. Sister Gore. Sister Gore. Sausage.
Oh, I see.
What do you mean by what is Sister Gore? It's your language.
No, it's not our language. It's maybe Spanish
And then
language.
no, and then there's Mummy Gore. And then there's Mini Pansit Goreng.
Mini pangsit, I know.
Yes.
Oh, I know. Mami gore is mami goreng.
What's Mummy?
Mami is mother.
No, but what is the food? What's Mummy?
I don't know. I forget.
Oh, you're the worst. Moana 2!
Curse, is that Justin Bieber?
Why do I even listen to you?
Sorry, bro.
Oh my god, Anya, is that Tiffany?
Cannot.
I'm from the UK, but I currently live in Bali, and I'm coming to the cinema here at Icon Mall in Sadar to watch the new Bridget Jones film. Now, the cinema back in the UK is really expensive, and I want to see the comparison in price here in Bali compared to the UK. The last time I took the kids to the cinema and we all went, it was over £60. I couldn't believe it. So it is just me going, but I'm going to work out the price for the single ticket. Plus I'm going to have some popcorn and a drink and see what it comes to and compare it. This is a brand new cinema, an IMAX cinema as well. So I also want to see what the inside of the cinema is like, because The cinemas where we're from are so old now and so dingy. Most of the chairs are broken. It smells in there. They're really pretty awful. I haven't been to a good cinema in a very, very long time. So I am excited to see what it's like inside this cinema.
Okay, it's looking nice. This is the outside of the cinema here. All brand new.
Look at this fancy ticket. Feel like I'm going to the Oscars or something.
So look at this. Posh leather reclining seat. We have blankets in here. We've had popcorn delivered to us. So nice in them.
Oh wow, that was so good. Bawled my eyes out. Bridget Jones is a 10 out of 10.
Culture Shock di Indonesia Part 1. Harga bioskop. Guys, kok bisa harga bioskop di Indonesianya semurah ini? Tiketnya mulai dari cuman 25.000, lalu nontonnya di Primera itu cuman 100.000 aja. Dan fasilitasnya luar biasa ya kan guys. Di Korea, kalian tahu harganya filmnya berapa? Nonton satu filmnya berapa? Coba tebak. Satu filmnya 180.000 guys. Satu film. Masuk akal atau enggak? Dan kalau mau nonton Primera kayak di Indonesia, ini harganya kayak 300 kira-kira. Jadi aku saat pertama kali ke Indonesia dan nonton bioskop di Indonesia, aku kaget kok murah banget segini. Dan menurut aku fasilitasnya lebih bagus Indonesia daripada Korea, walaupun harganya lebih mahal. Mehong sekali di Korea. Jadi aku sering nonton film di Indonesia. Film favorit aku adalah Top 1 adalah Gangmak. Kedua adalah Ada Apa Dengan Cinta. Top 3 adalah Jumbo. Coba menulis di komentar bawah pendapat kalian dengan harga bioskop Korea.
Ternyata bioskop di Indonesia lebih bagus dari bioskop di Swiss. Jadi ini pertama kalinya aku dan Paksu mau nonton bioskop di sini. Kita pengen nonton film Nolan yang baru keluar itu loh. Buat berdua kita bayar 40 Swiss franc atau 680.000 untuk kelas yang biasa. Dan ini kita belinya online ya guys. First impression bioskopnya nggak terlalu besar, bangkunya juga mungil-mungil gitu. Terus ini juga layarnya lebih kecil dari yang ada di Jakarta. Dan ini kita nontonnya pakai subtitle Prancis dan Jerman guys. Terus lucu banget di tengah-tengah film ada waktu istirahatnya 10 menit. Ini biasanya dipakai orang buat beli cemilan dan ke toilet. Kita beli satu popcorn dan satu minuman, harganya 250 ribuan. Di sini snacknya cuma ada popcorn, nachos, sama minuman kaleng aja gitu. Somehow jadi kangen Javati deh. But anyways, yang keren banget itu di sini bioskopnya nggak ada mbak-mbak yang jagain depan pintu. Aku juga nggak lihat cleaning service lalu lalang, jadi pegawainya cuma yang di kasir aja. Bioskopnya juga bersih, nggak ada sisa makanan karena habis nonton masing-masing orang beresin sisa snack mereka dan dibuang ke tempat sampah. Jadi segitu aja dating aku dan Paksu hari ini. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.